Mid-size manufacturers face tremendous challenges in their digital transformation journey. The biggest challenge is to access, connect, and process the data from legacy and modern systems, and provide readily available, valuable, and accurate information across the organization. Magic's FactoryEye is an organizational intelligence platform that powers continuous improvement for business excellence. By seamlessly integrating with existing systems and business processes, FactoryEye enables manufacturers to overcome hurdles and smoothly transition to an Industry 4.0-based digital plant. FactoryEye stores all your data, both production and operational, in its cloud-based data lake. It processes and structures the data, allowing you to fully leverage it by providing informative dashboards and reports for all roles in the organization. Real-time notifications and alerts allow you to respond immediately to disruptive events, while actionable insights empower you to keep track of production orders, lower costs, work efficiently, deliver better quality products, and better serve your customers to keep you competitive. FactoryEye removes data silos and provides holistic organizational intelligence, allowing people across the organization to identify problems and react immediately when needed, see trends, and improve their work practices. It promotes a culture of continuous improvement across the company. FactoryEye allows you smooth digital transformation, alleviating the need to rip out your current systems. You very quickly achieve a return on investment and incrementally add functionality with the savings of each phase paying for the next. Contact us to see how we can help you on your journey to business excellence.